Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all an amazing Valentino Garavani bag unboxing, and I got this at a crazy steal as well. So I'll get into all the details on that. So let's get right in the video and let's get started. Here she is. So Valentino, at least I've only gotten 2 things from there before, but they always have this kind of average brown box as their packaging, and it has like the picture of the item and stuff on the outside. So, you know, it's pretty underwhelming, but I don't know if anyone else has gotten a better packaging directly from Valentino store. But here she is in the dust bag. Their dust bags are like this burlap cream with the little Valentino logo in the front. And this is a nice medium-sized bag, still in her tissue paper. Okay, so it's hard to see the true beauty here with all this packaging on it, but here she is. Let me take off this. Here she is without all that packaging. Look how beautiful this bag is, and you will not believe the price, but just absolutely gorgeous. I love their gold logo, and then I love this style up here. Like, isn't this so unique? I feel like there's not a lot of bags that have this detailing here, where like there's this beautiful chain going through this as the closure. So cute. And this is the Supervi logo. I love the Supervi logo, and it's so nice and pretty. This is probably at least like 13 inches long. So this is a very, very nice sized bag, and it still has all the tags on it here. What is the name of this exactly? They don't put the name, it just says shoulder bag here. So this doesn't have an exact name, but I love this logo detail, and I love the front open closure. And then here you open it by pushing the button in, and look at the beautiful suede inside. This like purpley, like burgundy suede. So pretty, and look at how much space there is in here. So I'll take out some of this. This bag has so much space and so many compartments. This is like the organization dream here. There's like a little compartment in the middle here, and then there's this front compartment, and back here another compartment where there's this beautiful red pouch inside the interior. Look at how pretty this pouch is. Just a gorgeous red leather inside. I almost wish that they like designed it so you could remove the pouch, right? So pretty, and I love the interior color. And then here is where the belt is on the inside, and then because this is this adjustable strap is through like the button kind of strap, so you can unbutton both of these and then remove the strap, and then this would be a clutch. How cute is that? This is a clutch with this like jewelry almost detail in the front, like wearing it like this under your arm. So cute and so trendy. Love it so much. And anyways, yeah, that's kind of like most of the details of the bag, but I love the versatility. It's so you can fit so much stuff, and then you can turn it into a clutch on top of all of that. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And then as a clutch, it would be like this. So cute, especially with this red dress here I have on. And then as a crossbody, this is so pretty. Just really like changes this look so much and makes it so much more like high end. Love this. The only complaint I guess I have about this is that unlike the other Supervi logo that's like right in front right there, this one kind of like tilts upward a little. But you know, honestly, when I tell you guys the price, you'll understand why I got this. I did say it was a shoulder bag too, so I think this can be adjusted upward, and then it looks like this from the side. So cute. Definitely has the kind of style of the casual bag with this crossbody, and then the leather on leather, the leather strap with this front part here. It makes it so much more dressy. Okay, so anyways, I guess you're all dying to know how much this was. I got this from Saks Off 5th, and I got this for the insane price of $750. I mean, I think there's pouches and like longer wallets that they sell for that price. Like, $7.50 for this size of a bag is just crazy. The original Saks Off 5th price was $1,000, but they did have an extra 25% off sale, and those you really have to be so quick. So I try to post what I can find on the YouTube community and see if you guys are interested, but I would definitely check out there if you don't want to miss out on those deals. So this was $750, which is just 25% off the Saks Off 5th price, but we all know Saks Off 5th gets things for extreme discounts, and a bag like this with the Supervi logo, I cannot find the exact price online, but I know it goes for over $1,700 or $1,800. So I mean, even their mini size bags goes for like $2,400 if they're not on sale. So this was an excellent deal and an excellent bargain. And then on top of me paying only $7.50 for this bag, I got an extra 6% cash back from Rakuten. So I got $45 off on top of all this. So I almost only paid $700 something for this. And I'll leave my link to Rakuten below, but if you use Rakuten and you shop online or even in store, you get cash back, and the cash back that day for me was 6% with Saks Off 5th. So it's honestly money that you're getting back that you would have already gotten anyways. I was gonna buy this with or without that extra discount because $7.50 was crazy, but then I got another $45 of cash back. So it's insane. I'll leave my link to Rakuten below. If you sign up, you do get $30 right now. So just something there if you want to check that out. But yeah, this was insane deal and price. I just really want to come on here and share it with you all. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching this video, everyone. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please hit the subscribe button because that really helps me out. And then also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.